Greetings to all. Today we have discussed about the new type of the bonding, that is hydrogen bonding. Hydrogen bonding is the attractive forces between the hydrogen atom of one molecule and highly electronegative element of other molecule. This bonding is a molecular forces of attraction, and this bond is present in water molecule. In water molecule, its structure is like V shape and it contains two lone pair of the electrons on oxygen atoms. As hydrogen atom is linked with highly electronegative element, that is oxygen, so here hydrogen bonding is present, and this hydrogen bond is represented by the dotted line, as this bond is weaker bond as compared to the ionic bond as well as covalent bond. So we represent the hydrogen bond in water molecule. For this, here we have taken 4 molecules of water, and in the center the 5th molecule is present. All these 5 molecules are joined together by the hydrogen bonding, and this hydrogen bonding is represented by red dotted line. Next molecule is ammonia. In ammonia, 3 hydrogen atoms are present which are joined together with highly electronegative element, that is nitrogen. So in this case also hydrogen bond is present. Here we take 3 ammonia molecules which are joined together by the hydrogen bond. This is represented by the dotted line. This hydrogen bond is present between the nitrogen atom of one molecule and the hydrogen atom of other molecule. So this is the molecular forces of attraction. Now, what is the strength of the hydrogen bond? As this is the molecular force of attraction, therefore this bond is weaker bond as compared to the covalent bond as well as ionic bond. But this hydrogen bond is much stronger as compared to the van der Waals forces of attraction. As in van der Waals forces of attraction, there is the large difference between the two molecules. So this hydrogen bond is much stronger. Now, what are the conditions for the formation of hydrogen bond? There are two basically conditions for the hydrogen bond, that are, first is the hydrogen atom must be linked with highly electronegative element, and the other condition is the size of the electronegative element should be small. It is find that in periodic table there are basically 3 atoms that always form hydrogen bond, that are fluorine, oxygen and nitrogen. These 3 atoms, when they combine with hydrogen atom or they linked with hydrogen atom, they always form hydrogen bond within the molecule or in different molecules, just as hydrogen fluoride, water and ammonia molecule. In all these 3 molecules, hydrogen bond is present. Next, This hydrogen bond influence the physical properties as well as the physical states of the compound in which this bond is present. Also, this hydrogen bond influence the solubility of the different compounds in water. The compounds in which hydrogen bond is present, they must have high melting and boiling point. For example, the boiling point of water is much higher than as compared to the hydrogen sulfide due to presence of hydrogen bond. In the similar way, the boiling point of ammonia is greater than pH 3 molecule. In the similar way, the boiling point of HF molecule is greater than hydrochloric acid. Next is the solubility of the compounds. It is found that the compounds in which hydrogen bond is present, they must be soluble in water due to presence of hydrogen bond, or the compounds which can easily form hydrogen bond with water, they are easily soluble in water. Other is the case-like structure of ice. As we know that solids have higher density as compared to liquids, but in case of ice, due to presence of hydrogen bond, there is tetrahedral vacant space in the structure of ice, due to which its volume increases for the same mass. Hence, its density is lesser than water, due to which its float in water. It does not sink in water. Next is the physical state. The physical state of water is liquid due to presence of hydrogen bond, but the physical state of hydrogen sulfide is gaseous, as there is no hydrogen bond is present in hydrogen sulfide. These are the some properties which are influenced by the hydrogen bonding. Thank you.